At 6, 2 on your sides, Emily Lampa gets some legal analysis on what this report means. So, Emily, what did you find?
Well, Mary Alice, I spoke with attorney Stephen Cohen today, who has been following this case, and he says while this report may look bad for the city of Buffalo, it may not necessarily prove beyond a doubt that Lieutenant Craig Lehner died because of his employer's negligence. As we reported earlier this summer, Lieutenant Lehner's family has a wrongful death lawsuit against the city. It alleges that Buffalo police had not properly trained or prepared Lehner for the dangerous conditions on the Niagara River, which the suit claims was moving too fast for training on October 13th, 2017. Cohen believes the state's report definitely shows that the city of Buffalo was negligent in failing to prepare Lieutenant Lehner for the dive training that day, but he says it would be for a judge or jury to decide if that negligence caused his death.
I think that this is a case that requires some additional discovery to see if the negligence of the city, this clear negligence of the city, was in fact the proximate cause of Officer Lehner's death. And if that's found to be the case after the evidence comes out, the city certainly should settle to prevent the family from having to go through an emotionally horrendous lawsuit. This Pesh report is a wake-up call. One thing that will come out of this report, hopefully, will be that the city will improve its own procedures. We don't always see that.
Well, Captain Jeff Rinaldo at a press conference on Saturday said many issues have already been corrected prior to the release of that Pesh report, and that the department has about 2 months or longer if necessary to address any remaining violations. As for the lawsuit, the family's attorney tells me there has already been a pretrial conference, and the next step in this case is to take a look at the evidence, collect depositions, go through necessary motions, and then finally a trial. Since there is no scheduling order, we're told the family is prepared to wait several years before this case heads to trial. If no settlement is reached before then, Cohen believes the earliest a case like this could be resolved in court is 2020. Emily Lampa, Channel 2 News.